Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply create vaults for saving accounts on Revolut? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Revolut application and log in into your account. Once you've done that, tap on the account selector located just below your balance, then tap on plus or add new, and then select savings. This may be called instant access savings in some regions. Then all you need to do is follow the in-app prompts to set up your account and accept the relevant terms and conditions. Once set up, you can add money via one-off transfers, recurring payments, or by automatically rounding up your spare change from card transactions. You can also set a savings goal for your account. Notes on terminology. Revolut has updated its app interface. The original vaults are now referred to as pockets for money management tools that do not earn interest, while interest-bearing saving vaults are simply found under savings. So I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.